How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about what the average cost of homeowners insurance here in Michigan looks like and what some factors are that go into determining your premium. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to this channel. And if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like and share it with anyone else as well. So first, the cost of your homeowner's insurance is primarily going to be based on your home's replacement cost value. This is going to be the amount that it would take to completely rebuild your home from the ground up if it were destroyed. And this is important to note that it is not the market value or the amount that you paid for your home. Making sure that your home is insured to its replacement cost value is very important, especially in today's world, because it is very common that the rebuilding costs will not match the market value. For example, in some areas, it might cost more to rebuild your home than what you could actually sell it for, especially given the constant changing construction and material costs. Insurance is designed to help you completely rebuild after a disaster, so it's very important that you do have your home insured to replacement cost. Another key factor in determining your premium is going to be your home's location. If your home is in a higher risk area that may be more prone to maybe severe weather or flooding, then you could experience higher premiums. And even the crime rate in your home's area can also impact your premium, increasing the risk of theft or vandalism. And then the coverage choices that you make for your actual homeowner's insurance policy also will play a role. If you choose to have higher limits for certain optional coverages like water backup, or maybe you add scheduled jewelry items to the policy, this will obviously increase your premium. And then choosing lower deductibles also will make your premium go up. So depending on what you are comfortable having your deductible at, this will either make your premium go up or down. But having these coverage options in certain areas of your homeowner's policy can give you more protection. So it's a balancing act of weighing the cost versus the additional peace of mind. And then as far as potential discounts to help bring your premium down, number one is going to be the most commonly talked about item, and that is bundling your homeowner's insurance with your auto insurance. Nearly every insurance company out there will give you a significant discount if you do have both policies with them. But then also things like having a security system, updating your roof, and being claim-free can also help bring your premium down. So these are good options to keep in mind if you are trying to reduce your costs. And finally, one of the other factors that will come into play when it comes to your homeowner's insurance premium is personal factors. These are things like your claims history and then something that is called your insurance score. I have made other videos on my channel going more into depth on what an insurance score is, and I'll include those in the description below. But both of these can also factor into what your premium is. So what does this all add up to? According to NerdWallet, the average cost of homeowners insurance in Michigan was $1,785 for the year. Again, your specific premium will be determined on a variety of factors, some of which we discussed in this video, and it is going to be different from one insurance company to another. So if possible, working with an independent agent like myself, we can work with and look at all the different companies that we represent to make sure that you are getting the best coverage, the best rate available for you. Every home out there is unique, so making sure that you have the right coverage in place on your homeowner's insurance policy is also extremely important. So if you are looking for help with your home insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to reach out directly or leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.